Hi and welcome back to Sport.works. In this video I'm gonna show you how to get rid of scuffs on your vehicle's bumper. So as you can see right here in this area I have some scuffs and I'm gonna try to polish it. So for that I'm gonna be using polisher with a pad, and also I'm gonna be using a polishing compound. So first I'm just gonna clean the area with water. Alright, now things with scuffs is if they're not deep, that will be easily removed, but if you have like deep scratch, and you can tell by going with your nail through it, and if it's actually like deep, you won't be able to remove it completely. But most of mine are just surface scratch. Let's say this one is deep, I can feel it, but those are not deep, and maybe right this one is also deep. So I'm gonna give it a try and see how much I can take this scuff off. I'm gonna apply this polishing product on my pad. Okay, I'm gonna dab this compound onto this area. Now I'm gonna wipe it down with microfiber cloth. All right. So scuff was right here in this area, and most of it's gone. I can see a little bit here and here, but it is much better than how it was. So yeah, if you have scuffs like that and they are not deep, you can polish it out, make your vehicle looks nicer. But if you have deeper scratches, you will have to approach it differently and fix it properly. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you. Bye.